Hi, I'm Pat Roque with Pat's Custom Carpet and Upholstery Care. And I was just came here today and I was thinking about it. I've been in business for 38 years.
Wow.
38 years. So still here. Still here. When I first started out, I was just doing carpet and upholstery. And that's why it's back when I was 22 years old. I had to make up a name. I had to do a DBA. And so it was Pat's Custom Carpet and Upholstery Care. And it's such a long name. I wish I could change it, but I've been in business so long that if I changed it, I might lose customers. You know, you never know. They might be looking me up and not get me. So it's Pat's Custom Carpet and Upholstery Care. But we do more than just carpet and upholstery. We do flooring, any type of hard surface we do. We also do odors, air odors. We sanitize things. And we do jobs that are small. It's as small as your car. If you had you needed it to be cleaned or sanitized or have the cigarette smoke taken out or any type of odor. And as large as 10,000, like the other day I did 10,000 square feet of carpet in a building. So we did 10,000 square feet in one day.
Wow.
And that was good. I'm still feeling it right now.
Long day.
And after that, we
You're still feeling
so that was 10,000 square feet of carpet up in Upland. We did and 400 square feet of tile and grout, and it came out great. So
That's a good job.
they really love that, and they want us to come back. And we have more buildings to do, so we'll be doing that. So
Awesome.
I do any type of flooring, any type of fabric too. I also do silk rugs, wool rugs, and what have you. Cleaners. There's a cleaner down the street. They actually hired me to do their rugs. So if you bring your rug into a cleaner, there might be somebody like me doing it really, and then we clean it off-site, bring it back to them. So any type of fabric I can do. Any type of flooring we could do, stone tile or what have you. If you have an air odor problem, or want something to be sanitized, we can do that too. So anything pretty much to do with the cleaning business, I'm able to do. So, anyways, is there any questions?
Well, I can add to that.
Yeah.
To that long list of things you do, because you've done so many things for us at one stage or another, or one house or another. But our oldest daughter, had a marble. Was it the marble top?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
it was a marble. Yeah.
Marble
Yeah.
top. And it got bleached accidentally.
It's
Etched,
like
yeah.
acid on it.
It was
Like,
etched, yeah.
And so it wore off the finish, and it was a really, really nice table, dining table. Was, exactly.
it was like vinegar.
Was good.
And
Yeah,
there was
but it-
wine or something got on there and it wiped it.
Anyways,
Etched
so
it.
my other daughter wanted it for her house, they swapped tables, and, but it was either gonna be fixed or we were just gonna have to give it away. And Pat came out, and I don't know what you did, but you
We had to hone it down. So what we did is it was etched by could have been orange juice or anything like that.
Yeah,
Anything that has
acidic.
anything that's
It
acidic.
sits on it, yeah.
Stone doesn't like that, so it can etch that. So what we had to do is actually it's called honing, but what it's like wet sanding in a sense. So you're taking off a little bit of the surface. And we had to do that at Don's place too, because he had some damage done to his. Was it marble? Is it marble top, right? Yeah, he had a marble countertop and some acid got on it, and so we had to do that. Hone his.
But anyways, the table came out looking like perfect. It was awesome.
Yeah, so we do things like that. We'll do stone, tile, what have you. A lot of people on stone floors, they'll accidentally use the wrong product. Instead of using an alkaline cleaner, they'll use acid, and that etches stone. So then it has to be repaired or it has to be polished out. Yes.
Well, Pat put a sealant on our granite kitchen table, and so now we don't have to worry. If something spills on it, you just wipe it up. So think about it beforehand. But our shower doors look great. It's our downstairs guest bathroom, but if somebody takes a shower in there, it looked pretty grubby, but he came and permanently cleaned the glass, and it's been 3 years now.
Yeah.
It just looks fantastic.
So, yes.
Yeah, I've got one kind of along those same lines. So I had a client that was listing their property in Huntington Beach, and it was, in the kitchen they had a granite countertop that the oils from cooking and stuff had kind of splattered, and the jug of Wesson oil or whatever sitting on there made a stain in the granite countertop. And so he, through a process of like being able to put some stuff on it, drew out all of the oils from within the granite to be able to get it clean. So when we listed it, you couldn't tell. So
Yeah, it was a process right there where they had they've been cooking in their kitchen for years and stuff like that, and the oil splatters all over. It gets on the granite and gets inside the granite. So you have to make a paste to draw it out, and then after that you polish it. So that took about a couple of weeks. Huh? It was pretty bad. It was really bad. It came out really good. So
yeah, it did.
Something like that we do too.
Wow.
And you also do flood damage.
Yes, water damage. Yes.
Yeah.
Did it over at Jim's place, and he had the backyard flooded up like a pool. It went through the wall, and it flooded the whole place.
You did it at my
Yes.
place, too.
You did it at my office too.
Yep, and Dr. Mark too.
Everybody's had a flood in this room.
Dr. Mark.
My house too. Are you self-contained, you need a water source?
That's one thing we do need. The only thing we need is like a water source. Pretty much anything else, the band has it on there.
If you
but
don't have a water source,
you need to have a water source, a hose or some hose or what have you. Water source is what we need. We use a truck mount system. It's not a portable. It's a machine that has a Nissan motor, 4-cylinder Nissan in it, so it has a lot of power. A lot of people have, even some Coit machines are only like 20 horsepower. Mine's like 45, so it's a lot more powerful. It has a lot more vacuum. That's why we're able to do 10,000 square foot buildings, because you need to have some power to do that. And I just did that the other day. On Saturday we had 10,000 square feet, so that was a chore, but I did it.
Yeah.
And I'm still here, still
One
cleaning
day.
carpet and stuff. We did it one day, got
So
it
you have
done.
enough hosing that can extend
Oh yeah.
all the way from the truck
Yep. So our trucks.
far into a building.
Yep. Our trucks each truck holds 300 feet of line of hose, so we got 300 feet and clean and stuff. So yeah. Yep.
What
Yes.
about, give us an update on your air cleaning?
So the air clean, what we do is we use an ozone machine, and what that does, it's the same thing. It protects the earth. There's a layer of ozone in our earth, and it destroys anything that comes in contact with that. And what it does it naturally. It doesn't hurt us. What it does it with oxygen. And so it oxidizes things, and so it will oxidize it, and it will turn it into something else, and it's not hazardous at all. So that's what we use now for taking, for smoke damage and different odors and stuff. So you can run this machine in your home and not be worried about having chemicals left over. Like bleach leaves chemicals and stuff like that left over. The cleaning products leave chemicals behind, but this does not. And so this is what we're going to now. A lot of people are using that. We also have a fogging system, which it's a peroxide-based chemical, and it disappears too. So you can fog an area, and it will dissipate and turn back to water. So we're using things that won't harm you. Instead of using these chemicals, we used to like germicides and things of that nature. We used to use those for water damage and stuff like that, but now we're using more of a natural type system.
What about mold?
It kills mold instantly, without using harsh chemicals. Yes, it kills everything pretty much, and it doesn't harm us. So it kills and sanitizes.
So that's how you do mold remediation?
Yeah, well, I do air. I clean spores out of air. I don't do like the walls and stuff like that, but inside the walls. We'll do home stuff. So if you have mold in your home, or a bad smell, or say your air duct system needs to be sanitized, we do that.
So if you use this machine, is it actually going to pull the mold spores out of the walls, or do you still have to?
No. So what happens?
take out?
Anything that's in your home, it's in the air. It will sanitize that or destroy any type of malodor.
In the air, but
in the air.
not if it's in the wood.
But if
You
it's
have
in the
to
wood, it
leave
won't do
in
that.
there.
You have to actually take that apart and hit it. So,
Something to learn.
Yes. So.
Well, it's a big problem.
So that's us here. Been in business for 38 years and still going.
That's awesome.
All right. Thank you very much.
Why?